In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an iPhone or iPad shortcut that quickly sends tasks and notes to Notion. To get started, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone or iPad. This is Apple's built-in automation tool, and it's perfect for creating simple workflows that save time. Once you're inside the app, create a new shortcut. This gives you a blank space where you can build the action step by step, and it's the foundation for everything we're setting up in this video. Next, add an action that captures the text, task details, or notes you want to send. This part is important because it determines what information the shortcut will collect each time you run it. For example, you can set it up so that you type in a quick task, paste in a note, or enter details on the spot. The goal here is to make the process fast and convenient so you can send information to Notion without opening the app and manually entering everything yourself. After that, connect the shortcut to your Notion database using the Notion API or a Notion integration. This is what allows your Apple shortcut to communicate directly with Notion and place your content where you want it to go. If you've never worked with the Notion API before, just think of it as the bridge between shortcuts and your database. Once this connection is in place, your shortcut can create entries automatically. Then add the required Notion database ID and token. These are the key pieces that tell the shortcut exactly which database to send information to, and they authorize the connection so it works properly. Make sure you enter these carefully and keep them private. Since these credentials control access to your Notion setup, it's always a good idea to avoid sharing them or exposing them in screenshots or recordings. Once everything is connected, test the shortcut by adding a sample task. This is the easiest way to confirm that the shortcut is working as expected. Enter a simple example, run the shortcut, and then check your Notion database to see if the task appears correctly. If it does, that means your setup is successful. If not, review the connection details and make sure the database information was entered correctly. Finally, save the shortcut and use it whenever you want to quickly send something to Notion. Once it's saved, you'll have a fast, practical tool for capturing ideas, tasks, and notes in just a few taps.